What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I'm here in one of my favorite locations. This location is so beautifully stocked. I just love it. We have tons of socks. We have so many new items from Juncture. We have polka dots, we have stripes, kitties, llamas, turtles, space kitties, more kitties up top. We just have so many. The beautiful and super cute Essie socks for little girls. We have even more cute ones from Juncture. The cute little flowers or the little hibiscus. We have butterflies. Some cute ones for boys, slam dunk and chill out. We have some more special socks. Like we saw some diabetic socks, and now we have these Therapy Plus socks. These are non-binding men's sports quarter socks. I'm not seeing a price tag. I think the price was probably covered up, but you guys know those go for a lot more. Any specialty socks usually go for a lot more. We also have some diabetic socks here in black, gray, and white. Okay, let's turn around. I have some things to share with you guys. Some new things. I just finished a live in here and we looked at the weekly like new finds area. Okay, these are definitely brand new. Color Me Purple. We also have a Color Me Pink, Rocks the Locks, purple hair color and conditioner. It lasts 5 to 15 shampoos. It's infused with argan oil, no sulfates, no parabens, made in the USA, cruelty and vegan. We have it in purple. It's 8 ounces. And we also have it in pink. Has anyone ever tried this? Purple and pink. Ooh, and it looks like we have more Crabtree and Evelyn products. I think one of you told me in the comments it's not Evelyn, it's Evelyn, but I'm not sure about that. I've always just said Crabtree and Evelyn. We have goat milk and oat soothing shower milk. We also have this one. It's a conditioner though. It's called La Source. I just love this store, you guys. This location always has so many shirts. We have brands like Gildan, and these cost about $6.99 in stores like Ross. We have the dry blend. We have youth sizes, adult size polos. I believe we even have some long sleeve shirts over here by Hanes. These are the Comfort Soft shirts, and yes, they are long sleeve. Perfect to wear around the house or wear however you want to wear it, or tie-dye it, or do whatever you want to do. Use it for your company. Use it if you have a cleaning service, or if you have any sort of company or family business where you would like these colors. Greens, we always have a lot of blues. It's just been so quiet in here. There's only a few of us in here right now. It's towards the end of the night, so yeah, it's super quiet in here right now. The store is just so well stocked. We have the large silky scrunchies. A lot by Goody, a lot by Skoonsie. We've been seeing a lot by Skoonsie lately, a lot of new items from Skoonsie, from head wraps to clips, all sorts of things. Okay, what do we have over here? Let's see what we have over here. Ooh, oh my gosh, you guys, these are here. The Chapstick Total Hydration Sticks are here. Peachy Keen and Pretty in Pink. Can you guys believe it? You guys know these go for a lot more than $1.25 everywhere else. We have Suave. We have White Rain. We have the Color Shield shampoo by Power Stick for color treated hair, and it's sulfate free, which I know is important. We even have a dupe for Head and Shoulders up here. We have a dandruff shampoo. We actually have another dandruff shampoo, Salon Designs. And then we have these products from Vaseline. These are the lip therapies. I wanted to go over here. Let's see, I have my cart. I'm a little awkward at the moment because I have my phone plugged in to a little bank and I'm kind of tucking it under my arm. But look, you guys, the Can't Touch This towels and cups are back. They share the same print. We also have Happiness Grows Here. Spring Makes Me Smile. The glassware, the mugs, the cute 2 for $1 display of Easter cards. Over here on this side, we have placemats, plates, bowls and cups, and more glassware. Let's head over to the makeup. One of my favorite aisles, one of your favorite aisles too, for a lot of you. Okay, well, I just saw the lip therapies in the other aisle, and look, right away I'm seeing even more. These are the Moisture Tint with SPF 15. They're calling them Total Hydration Lip Balms. This is Pretty in Pink. Ooh, this is new by the Trim brand. An angled blush brush by Trim. I feel like we see the Trim brand in Walmart. I love the packaging. Imagine that you put your aloe vera gel in the refrigerator and you just go ahead and roll all the stress away. The Rosy Lips Vaseline Lip Therapy. Nice. Of course, the Ioni lashes. So many people's favorites. Let's see what else we can find. Ooh, these are new. These are made in Germany. Titania. Any German viewers watching? Please phonetically help me out in the comments. Tell me how I should say this. Titania. And it is in German. A nice foot file. Of course, we have the Dollar Tree ones here as well, in a few different colors. But this one looks really nice. The quality looks nice. Oh, look at these super cute little pandas. And the Kiss nails are still here as well. Well, you guys, I'm gonna end here on this video. I need to keep going. I'm gonna start another one. It was nice to find the new foot file. It was nice to find some of the new Vaseline and chapstick items, as well as some of the new Crabtree and Evelyn items. I'm spotting yet another Crabtree and Evelyn item from the corner of my eye. So come back to my very next video and I'll be sharing even more new finds here in Dollar Tree. If you guys are watching for the first time, welcome to the family. Definitely hit that little button and subscribe and join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. But all right, you guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.